Hi, my name is David Volk. I'm a truck accident lawyer in San Antonio. And if you've been injured by a big truck, an 18-wheeler, a commercial vehicle of any kind, it's important to contact somebody experienced. And there's a few pitfalls and things that I'm going to go over to look for in trucking accidents. Now, when you get hit by a big truck, a lot of times the damage is very severe. Okay, but one thing you've got to be aware of, if it's possible, is to do your best to document the crash scene as much as possible. Let me give you a small example why it's so important. Believe it or not, trucks and for-profit companies are just like any business. They have different ways of operating. There's all kinds of businesses, and we live in a society of entrepreneurship. But think about this. So an 18-wheeler truck carrying a load of materials, building materials. Now, there may be different companies and different insurance policies that insure the truck and the driver and the cargo. So whenever you're injured or hit by a large commercial truck, it's important to document and take pictures of everything. The trailer, the tires on the trailer, if you're able to get close enough, any of the identifying marks and the name of the business on the trailer. The truck brand, skid marks on the road, the damage to both cars, any information you can get, because at the end of the day, you're going to have to pursue and find out who is responsible. And a lot of times these companies are operating from outside of the county from where you live, so they're not always so easy to find unless you have the right documentation. Think about that too. You've got a situation where different insurance policies can be at play that insure different parts of that giant truck that hits you. And you may be in a situation where almost immediately the two companies are going to be disagreeing as to what caused the accident. Is it a faulty tire on the trailer? Is it the distracted driver? Is it something that was inevitable? Was it an act of God that, the slick roads? Was it too much weight? Was it not enough weight? There's all these things that can come into play that can immediately become a legal issue, and a lot of times they're going to be too overwhelming for an injured person to handle on their own. I will tell you, a lot of people that hire us on trucking accidents, the first thing the first concern that they have is they don't know who to call, because we're dealing with a company, they don't know how to contact the company, and so it takes a lot of digging. And being experienced in this area, we know where to look, we know how to find the insurance policies if we can find it, but a lot of it's going to be based on the information that you give us, and also based on the information in the police report. So make sure you document everything that you can, and when you're injured by a large truck, it's important to contact a truck accident lawyer in San Antonio or the county where you live, because the idea being is you need legal representation. I can tell you, doing this work now for almost 11 years, that a lot of these truck companies have their lawyer on standby. They already have a lawyer. They already have a law firm that represents them. So you don't want to be taken advantage not only by the insurance company, but legal counsel for for the company. And so because truck accidents can have a lot of financial value, and truck accident injuries can be worth a lot of money in certain cases, it's best to lawyer up right away. So if you're injured in a truck accident, contact me. My name is David Volk. I'm a partner at the law firm of Volk & McElroy in San Antonio. You can pick up the phone and call us. We will definitely want to take your case and talk to you about your case and meet with you. We have a free initial consultation. My phone number is 210-377-1414, or you can find us online at lawyer210.com.